Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change language in Grammarly. To change the language in Grammarly, follow these steps. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and head over to app.grammarly.com and log into your account. After that, click on Account option here. On the Account Settings menu, look for the Writing and click on it. Now click on Language Settings button. Select the preferred language from the drop-down menu. Grammarly supports options like American English, British English, Canadian, Australian and Indian English. After selecting your preferred language, be sure to save your changes. You can change the language in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. In Microsoft Word, the language in Grammarly will match the language settings of your Word document. Change the language in Word by going to the Review tab, selecting Language and then choosing your preferred language. On the Google Docs similar to Word, Grammarly will follow the language settings of your Google Docs document. To change it, go to File, Language and select your preferred language. By following these steps, you can easily change the language settings in Grammarly across different platforms. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.